The Oppo launched its new mid-range smartphone under A series in China called Oppo A6 Pro. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A6 Pro features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by crystal shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A6 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.16 by 74.99 by 8.11 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in jade black, flowing gold water, and rising blue color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from September 12th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.